talk about a very beautiful and very low maintenance plant. Hi, welcome to Home Botanist. Hope you are having a lovely day. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you ask me which plant is best for beginner, then my answer would be Areca palm. Yes, it is one of my favorite plant as it is very low maintenance and easy to care plant for as per my experience. You can place it indoor or outdoor anywhere. ब्राइट इनडायरेक्ट सनलाइट में ये अच्छी ग्रोथ करता है. सो बेटर ग्रोथ के लिए पुट द अरिका पाम नेक्स्ट टू अ वेस्ट और साउथ फेसिंग विंडो. It is a native plant of Madagascar which is a very popular plant. It is also known as bamboo palm, golden cane palm or butterfly palm. It is an excellent plant which adds an amazing tropical touch to your house. It is a perennial plant belongs to Ericaceae family. Its big leaves makes the plant beautiful and perfect for home decor. It comes into air purifying plant categories, which removes harmful toxins from the air and improve oxygen level. If we will know its right location and perfect soil mix and its water requirement, then plant grows very well. तो सबसे पहले इसकी बेटर ग्रोथ के लिए एक राइट लोकेशन को चूज़ करना है. और लोकेशन विद ब्राइट फिल्टर सनलाइट इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर इट. और अगर हम इसको डायरेक्ट सनलाइट में रखते हैं तो इसकी लीव्स येलोइश हो जाती हैं. लीफ टिप ब्राउन इज़ ए कॉमन प्रॉब्लम टू अरीका पाम. ये कई बार ओवर वाटरिंग, अंडर वाटरिंग और कई बार न्यूट्रिशन की कमी से देखने को मिलती है. प्लांट की परफेक्ट ग्रोथ के लिए एक परफेक्ट पॉटिंग सॉइल का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो यू कैन टेक 60% गार्डन सॉइल, 30% of vermi compost or cow dung compost, and 10% is neem cake powder. And you can take one handful of wood ash. That is enough. After that, important thing to know that is water requirement. Water it thoroughly but do not overwater. इसकी मिट्टी को सॉगी बिल्कुल नहीं करना, नहीं तो इसमें रूट रॉट की प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट प्रोपोगेशन तो ये सीड से भी लगा सकते हैं बट वो एक लेंथी प्रोसेस हो जाएगा. So root division is the best method. Root division can be done at any time of the year, but spring and rainy season is the best for repotting. Repotting should be done whenever your plant became root bound. So remove the plant carefully from the pot and divide it into the multiple plants. Areca palm is a heavy feeder plant. It likes nitrogen and potassium rich fertilizer. I think cow dung compost is the best for it. If you don't have, use vermi compost or kitchen waste compost. You may add one handful of wood ash. But make sure do not fertilize it during winter season because plant goes to dormancy in this season. It is humidity loving plant, so mist the plant regularly to raise the humidity level. If you place it in indoor a long time, then common pest attack are seen like white flies and spider mite. In that condition, use neem oil spray twice a week. In conclusion, the Areca palm is an excellent choice for beginner gardener due to its low maintenance requirement and easy of care. In the next video, I will talk about full process of its propagation. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and hit subscribe with the notification bell. Take care and happy gardening.